Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, please explain this kitchen garden.
Okay. You have knowledge about kitchen garden. What mean kitchen garden? Kitchen gardening is a small garden. There we produce some vegetable, and sometimes we produce salad, ladyfinger, and brinjal, as well as sponge gourd and other vegetable which in this season we have not grown. So kitchen gardening, this is a small land which is situated near the house. So the kitchen gardening provide fresh vegetable to the family, and it is good for health. But nowadays you have knowledge about the climate change. Climate change have create a great problem for the farmer. But before we have grown some vegetable, but the situation was very good. But now you have knowledge about this kitchen gardening, that we have grown the brinjal, as well as we grown the ladyfinger, and we have grown the sponge gourd. This is the sponge gourd. Now they are in a very good situation, and very soon they will start the fruit. On the other side, this is also a small kitchen gardening which was produced by Professor Siyar Khan. But this time, due to climate change, they have not provided the gobar, the manure to the field, and because of this, their health is very bad. And there are also some pests which have attacked on the ladyfinger. And this time also the season was very hot. Because of this, they have not give water in time. So see to the fruit of this the kitchen gardening before which we have grown, the fruit was very good, but now see to the brinjal, and their production is very bad. And there also you see there are stem borer, there are some borer which have create a problem for this gardening. So therefore the kitchen gardening play a great role for the development of a country, because if each person have a kitchen gardening, because of this they will cultivate it. Now we want to discuss the situation about this kitchen gardening, because in this season we have grown multiple times the lady finger, but they will not grown very well, and again we grow, again we have grown. But some plants which you are seeing there in kitchen gardening, we have found in success, and they now start have the lady finger, and they give the fruit, and on daily basis 2 kilo or 1 kilo daily we they give to fruit to us, and we use the lady finger. But lady finger is a very good vegetable, and now there is no borer or other pest have attack on lady finger. But on this side, this is the big brinjal. They provide us this type of fruit. Now you see there some borer have attack on this brinjal, which is the big brinjal, and they have some borer have destroyed the fruit of this brinjal. So there are so many pest attack on the flower. The farmer try to grow very well, and to found the success of this plant. But there are so many. Now you see there also some borer have attack, and they have destroyed the leaf, and there the leaves have been damaged. So through this way they affect the production of the fruit. Now it is the duty of the agriculture scientist to work in how to solve this problem, because this wing link with the entomology department. There are some borer, so they link with the insects. Therefore, it is the duty of Agriculture University, particularly the entomology department, how to solve these problem. And there are also some medicine and some pesticides are available in the market, and when we in time we spray on these. But this pesticide create problem for cancer and other thing. So it is also, the pesticide is also danger. But so there we use different methodology. Here we use the biological methodology. Through living organism we control the pest, and there are mechanical methodology. So through hand connection we control the situation. There are chemical we apply on the field and we control. This is the chemical methodology. But some time some rodents also attack on these pests and they eat it like lizard. So this was this is small brinjal and this is bring brinjal, and they were in the start very good, but now the insects and the borer has attack on this and they have created problem for the fruit, and now they have stopped the fruit, and already we have show to you the fruit. There also you see this fruit, and there also some pest have attacked on this brinjal. So now the fruit they have damaged, and there are some insects which have bore this fruit. So it is the duty of the government of Pakistan, it is the duty of Agriculture University, it is the duty of Agriculture Minister to practically go to field and check the situation, what type of problem are facing to agriculture farmer. If they control these farmers through this way, the production will be increasing and there will be no inflation. So this is also the reason that we not support to the farmer of the community, and there we have only a short kitchen gardening, and we have sowed the seed and we have produced some vegetable for our house. But still the situation, when we go to field, for example in rural area of district Mardan or in rural area of district Peshawar, so there are so many pest problem and there are other problems which are facing to rural community of the country, and because of this they affect the production of the fruit. Now come we try, here we also, so this is cucumber. Now they have started the fruit, but there also some borer have attack on it. You will see this this is a small beetle, and they create a problem for it. So there are so many, you will observe these things and you will see. And now see to this situation, they have also attack on the fruit and they have bore the fruit of the cucumber. So this is the duty of the government to produce, to conduct research and how to control the situation. Here you also see the beetles, they come on the plants and they create a problem. So now we go there and we want to analyze the situation, why the kitchen gardening this time they have not produced a good fruit. So there we have also grow the tara, इसको in Urdu or Pashto we called it tara. Now there also the pest have attacked there and they have created a problem for this fruit, but we are trying how to control the situation. So we biological, we through hand we pick it, and we through net we control the situation, but the situation is not good and they have created a grave problem for these fruits. And the main thing is this beetle. Now see to this beetle, this is the beetle which have created, they put eggs on the fruit and the larvae go inside the fruit and they damage the crop. Now come to this side, here we have also grow some lady fingers. This is the plant of tomato. Due to hotness, these tomato plant have been damaged, and some fruit we have gained, but now they are in a destroying position. See to this lady finger, and here we have grow cucumber, but they also damage due to hotness. The season very hot, and there also it have the problem have been created by climate. There you also see the tomato, and they have also attack on this plant, and there is also some fruits of the tomato. So this is necessary for everyone. There was also a one paper. It was succeeded in the start, but later on it was affected by heat, because nowadays the season is very hot and the climate change have created a great problem. People already think that what is climate and what is the impact of climate on the crops as well as on the fruits as well. So there, if you go to field, you will know what the reason of climate is. Climate have been automatically have been changed, and now the climate situation is also bad, and they affect the fruits as well as they affect the vegetables, and we have grow some vegetable there, and because of this, now we try how to escape from the pest and how to escape from other attack which affect the production of these vegetable among borer pest and pesticide. There are also climate change is also the major factor. So this is the duty of the government to make different strategy how to produce a resistible variety for the crops for the future to gain more production. So it was a small lecture which today I have presented on kitchen gardening.
Sir,
Already,
one question. Sir, please
yes.
tell some instruction to our viewers to save their vegetable and some other plants from insects and pesticides, which is the major disease of at that time.
Okay. This is a small gardening, but we have tried the majority beetle attack on the crop, so they linked with the insect and they bore the majority beetle eggs and larvae bore the fruits, so they damage to it. But on the other side there is a climate, and through climate you have also knowledge different disease and different insects develop and they directly attack on the crop. So this is the big problem not only of this kitchen gardening but also of this university, all kitchen gardening, as well as this problem also facing to rural community, rural farmer in the feed, and they have decreased the production. If the government try and they gave some suggestion and they conduct research on these things, through this way they will solve the problem, and through this way nowadays you have knowledge that the inflation is more, the price of the commodity is more, because there the linkage with the production. When the production of the fruits, crops, these things are increases, automatically the price go downward and the inflation control. But there the situation, one is the climate attack and the other are the borer more, and the third is the water we not give in time. Because of this, day by day the population of the country increasing, and through this way the production automatically it is necessary for the scientists of agriculture to produce more commodity and more wheat and more other thing and more vegetables. But there the problem will be not solved by government, so this is impossible, and it will create a food crisis in the country. So it is necessary for government to establish. There are so many institutions, but they give fund to these institutions to conduct the research and they solve the problem of the population of Pakistan. So this, it was a short video which I have discussed there and prepared there, and now I want to share this video and give this video information to other people, because they know what type of problem. Already I have told you that there climate change is a great problem, and the third is the borer, and the second is the borer, and the third is the water. So if the water is less, so the affect the production of the kitchen gardening, as well as the other fruits and crops which are growing in the agriculture feed in the KPK as well as in the world. So it was, I have told you that it was a short discussion which I have present for the beneficial of society.
Thank you, Sir Jazak.
ठीक जी